Namaste, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. This video is to expose the Arab missionaries who tried to create an image of Islamophobia in India. They also threatened Indians working in Gulf countries. They created a Twitter handle named Al Sunnah to report all Indians in Gulf. Thanks to Suraj Chauhan, who exposed these missionaries in Twitter. Al Nazar and Abdul Moni came to India several times and built several mosques. So, what is the strategy of these Arab missionaries? They target villages of India, villages which has Sunni Muslims concentration, but they fight to come to control of that area. First, they build wells for the village where Muslim population is more. Later, they get land from the same villagers to build mosques. Target Muslim majority areas. What is their money source? They collect donations from Arabs as well as Indians. They collect in their bank accounts. This picture shows that they collected money from Indians also. They get support from local Muslim leaders to carry out their work. These are some mosques they built in India. A big list is there. They spend around 50,000 riyal for each mosque in India. There are several tweets where they agreed that they built mosques in India. They even planned for big projects of mosques with the 250,000 riyals as expenses. Also, they give open invitation to all to contact them if they want to build mosques in India. Also, they call some university students as supervisors of mosque building in India. In this tweet, you can clearly see that mosques are built by them to give upper hand to Sunni Muslims in an area where they are struggling to get control. They counted the number of mosques in India from 2012 itself. They also built madrasas, memorization centers. Before going further digging, we should see the laws in India with respect to building religious funds. FRCA allows religious funds from abroad when it is registered. That too, only religious activity fund is allowed, and around 5,000 NGOs are allowed to get funds, but forced conversion is prohibited in India. We should ask the Indian government to check if these missionaries are registered for religious funding and are they submitting details to Indian government. Leaving this activity to Indian government, let's go to Hinduphobia side of these missionaries. This tweet talks about head of Aisha school, and he converted around 100,000 Hindus from 1989. They came to India and slaughtered cows secretly. Slaughtering of cows are prohibited in India, as we all know. Also, they promote Zakir Naik's views, who is searched by Indian government for his offences. They use wells as excuses and they themselves accept building mosques after wells. So far, we exposed two Arab missionaries who continuously created or tried to create an image of Islamophobia in India. They even was advocating to take up India to International Court of Justice. For now, Al Nazar Twitter handle and Al Sunnah are suspended by Twitter for acting against rules. Pakistan influence was found in creating issues for Indians in Gulf. In 2019, we found Gulf world does not accept Pakistan doctors and fired many doctors. Now, Pakistan created handles as Arabs and tried to show that Islamophobia is in India. Omani Princess gave explanation that the Twitter handle used her name to create Indo-Arab relationship issues. This information were already captured in many mainstream media. Overall, we can see that Country like Pakistan and some Arab missionaries in Gulf tried to create issues for Indians working in Gulf countries, which they failed badly. Latest news confirms around 6 Indians got fired in UAE due to their extreme comments on religion, which is not entertained even in India. For constructive criticism, there is no issues found in Gulf world also when it is kept in front by Indians. Thank you for viewing the video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and relatives, helping us to take this message to every nook and corners of the country. And thank you once again. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and put your views in the comments. Thank you.